Apps not downloading on App Store in iPhone. Here is how to fix it. First off, you wanna go to the App Store and see if it's downloading or not. And after that, you wanna scroll upward or downward to Control Center. Then you wanna tap and hold to the Wi-Fi, and if you're connected to any of the Wi-Fi, you wanna check if it's working by tapping on this I like option, that is information. And you have to check if it's working. And if you're working on cellular data, you want to go to the settings and tap on cellular. You have to check if it's working properly. And the other thing is, you can go back to the home screen of settings and then go to general. Then you want to scroll down to the bottom, and then you want to tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and then you want to tap on reset. Tap on reset network settings and enter your password and tap on done. After that, what you need to do is you want to go back to the settings and then tap on your Apple ID. Then you want to scroll down to the bottom, then tap on sign out. And you need to enter password here, and then sign out from your account and sign in again. And after that, all the process, you want to go back to the Apple's App Store. Then you want to go to the search bar and search for the app that you want to download, and it might help you fix app not downloading apps on iPhone. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.